let's look at terminology. For example, in this expression, you know the variable. The variable here is k. And the number that the variable is being multiplied by is called the coefficient, like 2 here. And also, constant is a coefficient. Any number not joined to a variable is called a constant, like 4 here. 4 is both coefficient and a constant. We say constant because its value doesn't change even if the value of the variable changes. Is it a problem if you don't see a constant number in an expression? I will tell you the answer. Big no. Imagine what could it be? It will be 0, because when you add 0 to any expression, this doesn't change anything. Because 0 is an identity element under addition. Let's talk about term. A term is a group of numbers and variables. One or more terms added together to make an expression. For example, in this expression, 2k is one term and 4 is another term. In the expression here, 3 plus 4x minus 5z, the terms here are 3, 4x, and minus 5z. I said minus because you should take the term with the sign before it. Let's do some exercises. You can do it on your own by stopping the video. Let's start with the first one. I am seeing one term here with one variable. So the number of terms here is 1. And the term here is 3b. The coefficients here is 3. And the constant term, I can't see any constant, so the constant here is 0. And what about the second one? Again, I am seeing one term here, but with two variables. 5. There is one term here, and the term is 5xy. And the coefficient here, 5. And the constant term, again, I can't see any constant. This means the constant is 0. Okay, guys, be careful with the third one. I should write this as an addition of two terms. Let's write it. A over 5 plus 9 over 5. When we look at this, I can see that there are two terms here. And the terms are a over 5 and 9 over 5. The coefficients here, 1 over 5 and 9 over 5. And the constant term here is 9 over 5. Because the constant is free from the variable. What about the fourth one? The number of terms here, 2x and 3yz. There are two terms and these are 2x and 3yz. And the coefficients 2 and 3. Again, there is no constant term here. I can see any number is free from variables, so this means the constant term here is 0. And this one, I can see that there are 3 terms here and 5. The terms are 5a, 3b and 7. What about coefficients? 5, 3, and 7. What about the constant? The constant here is 7 because this term is free from the variable. And what about the last one? 6ab, c, and 7 again. I can see that there are three terms here, and terms here are 6ab, c, and 7. What about the coefficients? 6. Don't miss the coefficient here. This is 1. And 7. What about the constant term here? And 7 is a constant here.